आरएसपुरा में सीमा पार से ड्रोन से 27 अक्टूबर को गिराई गई हथियारों की खेप के साथ 2 आतंकी समर्थकों को गिरफ्तार किया गया था। इसी सिलसिले में आज एनआईए की टीम आरएसपुरा पहुंची। एनआईए की टीम पहले सब डिविजनल पुलिस ऑफिस में पहुंची और उसके बाद जिस जगह से हथियार उठाए गए थे उस जगह का भी दौरा किया। विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने IIM कोलकाता में लेक्चर देते हुए कहा कि अगर आप आर्टिकल 370 को पूरे तौर पर देखें तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्यों इस आर्टिकल को इतने बरसों तक लागू रखा गया।
I would agree with you very much that it's important that we put national interest first. That the politics of the day should not trump the, in a sense, the larger interests of the nation. And clearly, that's you can say is a discipline or a approach that all politicians should have in the country. Now, it's obviously easy to say. It doesn't always get done. And I in my own remarks, I cited 2 examples. I mean, if you look at the whole Article 370 issue, I mean, let's be honest, other than the politics of the day, what was the reason for a temporary provision to continue so long? It was really the politics of the day. And the fact that we had such a sort of messy issue there, I mean, the entire world used it for the last 75 years. So, and the other is really securing our borders. That the politics of the day should not lead our borders to be vulnerable. So, I mean, I could come up with other examples. So, I agree with you. I think to some extent we have to create a culture. To some extent, public opinion has to also, the force of public opinion is a very powerful force. Politics responds to what is, politics may shape public mood. But believe me, public mood also shapes politics. I mean, as a relatively new entrant into this, I can tell you, when I look at people, in my peer group and see the sense of the public resonates with them, it is something which matters. On the issue, look, you spoke about strong opposition. It's not the job of the government to create an opposition. Okay?
It's